This building, these walls, they have it all, and having our alumni back here brings all of that life. Our alumni came from all over the world to this meaningful occasion, which is the Alumni Symposium. The best part of this symposium is having our alumni come back home. The Office of International Program and the entire college is very proud of them, how they are bringing the NYU name to new heights globally. We are truly a big family. No matter where we are in the world, no matter where life takes them, it's exactly what we said. You are back home.